Alright guys, basically this is going to be a flight to Minneapolis, and this flight is going to consist of us getting off the plane. We're going to have about 10 minutes to run from our terminal all the way to the other terminal that we have to get for our connecting flight. Then we're going to get back on there and we're going to fall back to sleep. This is going to be the longest flight of my entire existence.
And then we're back in Florida.
Where it's humid and hot.
Just a few days later, we'll be Playlist Live in Orlando.
That's right.
It's gonna be lit.
You know the best part about this flight though?
Blankets.
Crimson red.
What was your favorite thing we did this weekend? My favorite thing? I met Kesha.
Of course, that
was my favorite thing.
My favorite thing was actually laying in a hammock with Amber, Tiana, and Sammy Firth. That was my favorite. That was they were okay, but like Kesha was a little bit. We'll see you later, guys. We are here at Playlist Live, and it is day one. This is Friday, May 5th. We're here with Caitlin Malone, Jonathan Eider. We also have Sammy Firth and Blame Ryan Carter. We're about to go downstairs and meet some fans, and it's gonna be lit.
Hey, we're in my crib. Welcome. This is my paid boyfriend. I paid him $20 a week last week to be my boyfriend.
Treat it right.
He treats me right, and he washes out bottles for me. Cause I'm a dirty bitch. I don't wash out bottles.
We have the same camera. We have the same camera. That's what's happening.
Mark 2?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up,
Cheers.
homie? I'm gonna try to pull focus on that. Boom. Yeah. Cheers. Give me some.
Cheers. I recorded that too.
Where are we going?
Got a little soul, the world is a cold, cold place to be. Want a little warmth, but who's gonna save a little warmth for me? We know the fire awaits somebody.
And now we're getting married. I'm sorry, Ryan. I'm sorry, Ryan. What's up, Dad? What's up, Teach? How you doing, buddy? Hi, guys. We're out here. We're out here at Playlist Live 2017, and it's lit. I'm lit, bro. It's lit. Look at this. I just turned my hat forward, because that's how lit it is, bro.
Blind to the tracks of the train. I'm not excited, but should I be?
What's up, Caitlin?
Is this
The dynamic Caitlin Malone, the girl behind the story, and the camera.
I know I love you, and you love me. What all the water contains, and it'll drop for me. See the sun go down, it's going on down, and the night is deep. Want a little light, but who's gonna save a little light for me? We know the fire waits unbelievers.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Yo. Who's up?
Roscoe fucked your bitch. No. Roscoe in her poon. Yo. Roscoe out up in this bitch.
Roscoe got the tight fit,
Yeah.
Roscoe, why you spit that shit, yeah? Roscoe, why,
Oh shit, who's spin? Somebody spin. Who's spin, baby?
Crickets.
Okay, baby. Oh shit, okay. Roscoe over here.
Yeah.
Roscoe over there. Roscoe everywhere. I don't even care. Yo, you know I get it. Where the music goes. I get the flow. Yeah. I never ever slow.
Yeah.
Hype beast, they highly likely to bite me. You wanna high five me, but I'ma give you high threes.
The real Kevin Hart? Bulls. That one.
excited, but should I be? Is this the fate that half of the world is planned for me? I know I love you, and you love the sea, but what only water contains a little drop for me.
Keeper, guys. I don't know where he is. I am every day.
Oh my god.
In the backyard. Okay, guys.
It is chicken and shrimp with broccoli, and I marinated it in orange juice, soy sauce, garlic powder,
And cock.
butter.
Oh, that's the secret ingredient.
That's right. That is,
Who's cock?
that is the secret.
Just all the cocks.
Everyone check the broadcast out.
I'm the one, yeah. And you sick of all these other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching that.
Yeah, what's your question, man? You got it. What's your question? Let's get this done. Boys turned up over here. We got the little camera. Camera going right there. My hair is wild. What's up, boy?
Yo, wait, do the Molly Ringwald.
Bye, Elma.